sklearn. Cluster. K-means. Description. K-means is an unsupervised machine learning algorithm used for clustering data points into K distinct groups, where K is a predefined number of clusters. The algorithm aims to partition the data into K clusters such that each data point belongs to K cluster with the nearest mean. Inputs. X, a numerical dataset containing the features to be clustered. It can be a NumPy array or a pandas data frame. N clusters, the number of clusters to form. Outputs. Labels, an array of cluster labels for each data point in X, indicating to which cluster each data point belongs. Cluster centers, an array containing the coordinates of the centroids of each cluster. Steps. Initialization. Randomly select K data points as initial cluster centroids. Assignment. Assign each data point to the closest centroid based on Euclidean distance. Update. Recalculate the centroid of each cluster as the mean of all data points assigned to that cluster. Repeat steps 2 and 3 until convergence, i.e., the cluster assignments no longer change. Metrics. Silhouette score measures the similarity of a data point to its own cluster compared to other clusters. A score close to 1 indicates that the data point is well clustered, while a score close to -1 indicates that the data point is misclassified. Within cluster sum of squares WCSS, the sum of squared distances between each data point and its corresponding cluster centroid. Lower WCSS indicates better clustering. Visualization plots. Scatter plot. Visualize the clustered data points with different colors representing different clusters. Elbow method. Plot the WCSS against different values of K to identify the optimal number of clusters. Fine-tune parameters. N clusters, the number of clusters to form. Init, the method used to initialize the cluster centroids. Options include random, K-means, or providing your own centroids. Ninit, the number of times the K-means algorithm is run with different centroid initializations. The results from the run with the lowest WCSS are selected. Maxiter, the maximum number of iterations for the K-means algorithm to run. Toll, the tolerance value for the stopping condition. The algorithm stops when the change in WCSS between iterations is less than toll. Random state, an integer value to control the random number generator used for initialization. Using a fixed random state ensures that the results are reproducible. Uncertainty methods. Bootstrap, resample the data with replacement multiple times and run K-means on each resampled dataset. The variation in cluster assignments across different Bootstrap samples can be used to assess K uncertainty in the clustering results. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1, choosing the optimal number of clusters K. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1. If the number of clusters is too low, it might lead to underfitting, where data points from different clusters are grouped together. If the number of clusters is too high, it might lead to overfitting, where the clusters are too specific to the data and might not generalize well to new data. Fixes to challenge 1. Use the elbow method or silhouette analysis to find the optimal value of K. Challenge 2. Dealing with noisy or outlier data points. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2. Outliers can significantly influence the position of the cluster centroids, leading to inaccurate clustering results. Fixes to challenge 2. Use robust K-means variants that are less sensitive to outliers, such as K-medoids or robust K-means. Alternatively, preprocess the data by removing or handling outliers before applying K-means. Challenge 3. Choosing the right initialization method. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 3. If the initial centroids are poorly chosen, It can lead to local optima, where the algorithm converges to a suboptimal solution. Fixes to challenge 3 use the k-means initialization method, which aims to select initial centroids that are spread out, reducing the chance of getting stuck in local optima. Challenge 4 dealing with high-dimensional data. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 4 k-means can perform poorly in high-dimensional spaces due to the curse of dimensionality. Fixes to challenge 4 apply dimensionality reduction techniques like PCA or T-SNE before running k-means.